Hey guys, I made a decorative wall mirror and a lighted vase. Now this vase can be used on its own for lighting, or you can put in flowers inside and light it up at night. This is such an inexpensive and easy DIY, and I'd like to share with you guys how I made this. Now let's go ahead and get started. I got this mirror from the Dollar Tree and I detached it from the frame. I then took a foam board and measured out the dimensions of the mirror in the middle and kept it aside. Now this is a felt table runner that I'm going to be using. This is how it comes, and now I'm going to be cutting the middle part to the size that I would need for the project. I took out the board that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be covering up the outer edges with a mirror reflective paper. I'm going to do this for all four sides. And now I'm going to be measuring out the amount that I'll be needing for this design, and then carefully making sure that the outer pattern sits properly on the board. And I'm going to be gluing it on with a hot glue gun. If you're new to my channel, it's still great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. And now I'm going to be trimming off the excess that shows on the inside. I did not glue the inner part yet until I trimmed off the excess. And now I'm going to be gluing on the remaining parts and carefully aligning it to the other side to make sure that it doesn't look too obvious that it was cut before. This is how it looks, and it's hard to see where I actually joined it, and that's the whole idea, just to make sure that the joining points don't show. Now I took these tower blocks and I got just 4 and I glued them at the 4 sides of the inner square. I will apologize for the white marks that you see. That was a design that I was trying to make, but then I changed my mind later. I made a hole in the middle to make it easy for me to pass the lights. This is a remote control string light that I'm going to be using, and I'm passing it through from the back. And when I was done with that, I glued on the battery pack. I'm going to be using jute to hang it on the wall because of the height of the battery pack, and I used a hot glue gun. And so now I'm going to be gluing down the strings onto the board. The brown color of the toy blocks was conflicting with the black of the felt, so I painted the outer sides black. And also, the error that I made with the glue gun, I'm also going to be painting that black too. The mirror is too light, so I'm going to be covering it up with a square that I cut out from a foam board to make sure that the light doesn't pass through the mirror. This is what it looks like. And then I covered up the edges with a bling wrap that I got from Walmart and glued on the mirror to the middle of the design, and this is what it looks like. I had some leftover felt table runner, and instead of throwing it away, I decided to just glue it on this vase to make a nice decorative flower vase. To make it more interesting, I decided to just use this cup lighting. The link will be in the description box below. Now I did this so I can have options of using it for an extra source of lighting in an interesting way, or as a flower vase. The felt table runner comes in different colors, so I chose dark gray, and you can choose whichever color you like. I really love how this turned out. Now you're not going to know that it's a table runner that I used for the mirror and for the vase, right? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this awesome idea, and remember to like and share. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.